If you've spent any time on Instagram or TikTok, you've probably seen the ads. A language app called Jumpspeak, promising you'll be speaking confidently from day one, no boring grammar drills, just real conversations with an AI tutor. It's a compelling pitch. But before you commit to a subscription, I wanted to actually dig into what Jumpspeak does well, where it genuinely falls short. And this is important with this app specifically, how the pricing actually works, because that's where a lot of users report getting caught off guard. So in this video, what Jumpspeak is, a full features walkthrough, the honest pros and cons based on real user reviews, the real pricing breakdown, and exactly who this app is a good fit for. Let's get into it. What is Jumpspeak? Jumpspeak is a mobile-only language learning app built around a speaking-first philosophy. Instead of starting with vocabulary lists and grammar rules like a lot of traditional apps, Jumpspeak drops you into realistic scenario-based conversations with an AI tutor from day one, ordering food, making small talk, handling a business meeting. The core feature is its AI chat system, which comes in two modes: immersion, where you speak entirely in the target language, and bridge, where you type what you want to say in English, and the app translates it for you. Depending on where you look, Jumpspeak advertises anywhere from 20 to 23 languages, though, and this matters, not every language gets the same experience. Some languages get full structured courses, others are AI tutor only, with no structured lessons, vocabulary modules, or video content at all. It's mobile only, available on iOS and Google Play, with a 7-day free trial for new users. The pitch is aimed at people who've tried traditional apps, found them boring or too grammar heavy, and want to actually practice speaking instead. Let's look at what's inside in more detail. AI tutor conversations, over 1,000 real-life conversation scenarios spanning daily life, travel, relationships, and business, with the AI meant to adjust to your skill level and conversation flow. Immersion and bridge modes. Immersion has you speaking fully in the target language. Bridge lets you type in English first and see the translation before speaking it. Pronunciation feedback. Real-time correction on your speech, tracking vocal patterns and offering suggestions as you go. Structured lessons for core languages. For languages with full courses, lessons follow the CEFR framework and are broken into sections like listen, speak, and conversation, with newer formats like stories and words being added as the app evolves. Live tutoring, available in a subset of languages: Spanish, French, English, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Mandarin, Japanese, and Arabic, for actual human tutoring sessions at a significantly higher price point. Progress tracking. The app tracks your activity and progress over time, which several reviewers cite as a genuine motivator for consistency. Optional add-on course. A separate language hacking course is available for an extra one-time fee, aimed at learners who want additional structured content beyond the core app. That's a genuinely interesting feature set on paper. Now let's get into how it actually performs. The pros pro. Number 1, speaking first approach fills a real gap. Multiple reviewers agree the core concept, practicing real conversations instead of memorizing vocabulary lists, addresses something a lot of traditional apps get wrong. Pro number 2, flexible, self-paced learning. You can jump in and practice on your own schedule without the pressure of a live class or a native speaker judging your mistakes in real time. Pro number 3, confidence building for beginners. Jumpspeak reports that a large share of its user base feels more confident within just a few weeks of consistent use, and several reviewers specifically credit the low-stakes AI conversation format for that. Pro number 4, strong money-back guarantee. Some pricing tiers come with a 100-day money-back guarantee, which is unusually generous compared to most competitors in this space, and adds real peace of mind if you're on the fence. Pro number 5, clean interface and smooth performance. Reviewers note minimal load times, even during AI-heavy interactions, and smooth error handling if voice input fails. You can just switch to typing instead. That's the upside. Now, here's where you need to pay close attention. The con number one, the pricing structure is genuinely confusing. This is the single most common complaint across reviews. Users report thinking they've paid for full premium access only to hit lesson or conversation limits and get pushed to upgrade again to premium AI, described by one reviewer as increasing the cost by 1.5 times as the very first upsell you encounter. Con number two, not all languages are created equal. This is a big one. For languages like Korean, Japanese, or Russian, you may only get the AI tutor feature. No structured lessons, no vocabulary modules, no video tutorials, just open-ended chat. Several users report discovering this limitation only after they'd already paid. Con number three, conversation quality can feel scripted. More critical reviewers report that even in immersion mode, conversations can feel repetitive, and the AI doesn't always remember details from earlier in the same conversation or adapt meaningfully to your actual level. Con number four, robotic-sounding voices and shallow feedback. At least one in-depth review specifically calls out the AI voices as sounding artificial and describes the pronunciation feedback as shallower than competitors offer. Con number five, limited offline functionality. Offline access is selective to certain lesson types only, which is a real limitation if you're a frequent traveler who wants to practice without a connection. Con number six, on the pricier side, especially at monthly rates. Depending on the plan and current promotion, monthly equivalent pricing can run notably higher than several competitors, and Jumpspeak frequently runs steep promotional discounts, which is worth noting because it suggests the normal price isn't really what most people end up paying. Con number seven, reviews are genuinely mixed. This isn't a universally loved app. Some in-depth reviews land as low as 2 out of 5 stars, citing weak retention tools and shallow feedback, while other review platforms show a more evenly split, cautiously positive reception. That range itself is a signal worth taking seriously. So, a real interesting concept, with real fans who've built speaking confidence through it, but pricing friction and language-by-language inconsistency that catches a lot of users off guard. Pricing breakdown. This is genuinely one of the more confusing pricing structures in this space, so pay attention. Annual subscription, around $79.99 per year through app stores, sometimes listed closer to $69 to $70 per year directly through the website 3-month plan. Around $69, working out to roughly $23 per month lifetime access. Priced anywhere from $249 to $299 depending on current promotions. Optional language hacking course add-on, around $37 extra live human tutoring, a separate, much higher price product reported around $349 per month. Two important notes, pricing differs between the App Store, Google Play, and the website directly, so check the current price on whichever platform you're actually signing up through. And Jumpspeak frequently runs promotions of up to 75% off, meaning the sticker price is rarely what people actually pay. There's also a 7-day free trial for new users, and depending on the plan, a money-back guarantee of up to 100 days. How does Jumpspeak compare to alternatives? If you specifically want AI conversation practice at a lower cost, ChatGPT's voice mode offers surprisingly similar functionality, adapting naturally to you. The trade-off is there's no structured curriculum, so you need to be fully self-directed. If you want real human interaction and feedback quality that's simply incomparable to any AI, Italki connects you with native-speaking tutors for one-on-one lessons. Less convenient since you have to schedule sessions, but the feedback depth is a different league. If your target language is one of Jumpspeak's AI tutor-only languages like Korean, it's worth strongly considering an app built specifically around that language's structure. Hangul, formality levels, and grammar, rather than paying for a bare chatbot experience. Who is Jumpspeak actually for? Jumpspeak is a good fit if you're a beginner to intermediate learner who wants low-stakes speaking practice before real conversations. Your target language is one of Jumpspeak's fully built-out courses: Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, and similar. You prefer a conversation-first approach over grammar-heavy rules first learning. You're willing to double check the current pricing tier carefully before subscribing. Jumpspeak is probably not a good fit if your target language is one of the AI tutor only languages like Korean. You want deep, structured grammar instruction as your primary learning method. You're serious about advanced fluency and need feedback quality that only a human tutor can give. Pricing transparency and predictability matter a lot to you. So that's Jumpspeak, a genuinely interesting speaking first approach to language learning with real fans who've built confidence through it, but a pricing structure and language by language inconsistency that trips up a lot of new users. Read the fine print on your specific language and plan before you commit. Links in the description if you want to try the free trial. And if you found this review useful, hit subscribe. I break down apps and tools like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.